Alright, so Tony here with Efficient Air today. We're at one of our Gold Club members' houses. We got dirty condenser coil. We want to get that stuff cleaned out so that we have, our cooling performance restored and help reduce the amount of utilities that we're using a little bit. So today I'm going to show you, we're going to take this apart and get this coil all cleaned up. So we got this coil all nice and cleaned up. We recommend doing this, or actually, manufacturers recommend doing it every 2 to 5 years on average. You just want to get all that debris out of the coil to, one, like I said, restore the cooling performance, so you're getting the cooling that you're paying for. We want to reduce that utility usage, so the unit's not running as long, it's not running as hard, and by it not, using as much electric and not running as hard, we're going to ultimately, extend its life. When you see what an investment it is replacing one of these, you want to keep these things running for as long as you possibly can. So this guy is all good to set and go for summer. If you're interested in a service like this or want to have your coil, cleaned professionally, give us a yell and we'll get you all taken care of. Have a good summer, guys.